Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Aloe Vera Hair Care System by the Atlanta Hair Doctor. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see my honest review on these products. Okay, so I just finished shampooing and conditioning my hair. I just wanted to add in this extra clip to show the outcome from using my Atlanta Hair Doctor shampoo and conditioning, holistic, natural, no sulfate, no paraben. It protects, rebuilds, replenish, grows, and stops breakage. So this is the hair system treatment that I use today. And this is the result. This is how it's looking. Okay, and I literally just stepped out the shower, so my hair is still soaking wet. I hadn't put any blow dryer, no towel, nothing on it. But I did just want to show my scalp. My scalp is clean. That's how it's looking. Yes, I personally have a lot of hair. I have some struggles with my hair. Mainly I deal with dandruff, and it's because I don't really even know why it is. I've seen a dermatologist. If you watched any of my other videos or my blogs, you may have heard me talk about my trips to the dermatologist to find out what's going on. So when I came across the Atlanta Hair Doctor system, and I'm just like, oh my goodness, it just says, if you're struggling with scalp issues of any kind, this will help you. I needed help. I needed help, and I read up on it, and just everything based off of my experience, based off of what the dermatologist had told me that I need to be putting on my hair and scalp, or that I shouldn't be putting on my hair and scalp. These products aligned with those statements, with those recommendations. And so I just wanted to go ahead and try it out. I love the tingling sensation of the conditioner, and it's just they both, the shampoo and the conditioner, have aloe, but there's some added ingredient in the conditioner that, as you may have seen on the film already, gives it a green color, and that green color actually has like a pepperminty feel on the scalp, and I just love that. I love when I shampoo or condition my hair and scalp and I can feel the invigorating feeling of cleanliness. I just love that, especially because, like I said, I deal with a lot of like product buildup with my hair being so thick. When I'm throughout the week putting different oils and serums and things like that, holding sprays onto my hair, all of that just gets trapped inside, and I feel like it builds up on the scalp. And then also a lot of the products that are on the market just don't really agree with the, I guess, organic chemistry of my scalp and skin. I do have sensitive skin, so I've noticed as well in my scalp that certain products just don't work well for me. This is not the first time that I've used this system. This is actually the second time that I've used this system, and both the first and the second time I've seen great results. Like I'm showing you right now that you saw the whole process. You saw the process of me shampooing and conditioning my hair, and you can see now that my scalp is flake free, buildup free, and I hope it stays this way. So yeah, the other thing I ordered quite a few products from the Atlanta Hair Doctor. I was so excited about this system when I found out about it. I just wanted to give it a try and try out all the products that seem to fit with the needs, seem to fit the need and provide the help that I needed. So the other product that I have here is the Atlanta Hair Doctor 100% natural hair growth oil. Not that I need, I mean, everybody can use a little hair growth, right? I still have length goals, right? Even though right now my main goal is to prioritize the health of my hair. But this has aloe vera, tea tree, and castor oil. And so I am just going to go through here and oil my scalp as well, because obviously flakiness can come from dry scalp as well. So just to nip that in the bud, I'm going to start off, now that I freshly shampooed and conditioned my hair, it's clean, I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp with the hair growth oil. And it comes in this little spout dispenser. Love that. I love the length of it and how it really holds the product in the spout, or whatever this is called. And I'm just going in, and let's see if I can get a good angle here. So I'm just going in and oiling my scalp like this. And as to distribute the product, I'm just squeezing this to let out the oil. So yeah, I love this because it's quick and easy. I will say an improvement that can be made is that, again, I have thick hair, so this tends to get caught in my hair, and this has come off several times. But I just pop it right back on. But that's probably on me as well for being like maybe not as gentle as I should be. But a lot of times I've used this oil like so much, it's almost gone. I don't know, like you can't really tell, but I've used the oil more than I've used the shampoo and the conditioner, because it's so easy to just drop it and distribute it throughout my hair. I love this little nozzle. I love how it's controlling the amount of oil that I distribute to each section. One thing I will say though is that the oil doesn't have that tingling sensation, and it doesn't really have a smell either. Actually it does, but it's faint. Some oils have like a really, really strong smell. But this one has a faint smell. It smells nice. It smells really good. It's mostly like that tea tree scent. So if you're okay with that, if you like that scent, then you would like this oil. It's not, again, a strong or overpowering scent, but it is there. Like I said, I could barely even notice it, honestly, which is nice because, I don't know, sometimes you want your hair to give, you know, a nice aroma, but sometimes you just want it to be subtle, especially for the oil, because this is something that I use. I don't even use it. I feel like I don't even use it as often as I should. Like I should probably use it every day or every other day, but currently I probably use it like, I feel like I should use it every other day, but currently I use it maybe twice a week. So anyway, I go in, I distribute the oil that way, and then I just massage with just my, like the pads of my fingertips. I go in and I massage just to like make sure that it's evenly spread about my scalp. Even though I went in, and when I was going in, I was trying to put it in various like sections of my hair and scalp. Even sometimes, so in this particular stage, I only apply the oil directly to my scalp because I'm just trying to oil my scalp, like I said, to avoid dryness that would result in flakiness. And as a result, like any leftover product, I might just like go over my hair with it like this. But I do also, I have from time to time just got a few drops of oil, put it in my palm, and then also ran it across my hair as well. I'm not gonna do that today, but I will show you like how the oil looks when it's sitting on the hair, because you can see like here very clearly. Again, I have thick hair, so it, you know, you can't really see down into here on the sides or in the back, but at the top here you can get a good idea of how the hair surrounding the area where on the scalp where the oil was placed kind of get some of that leftover oil and how that looks. So my hair does really respond well to the oil. Like you can see here where there's not a lot of like spillover of the oil into the hair versus here where there is, and how like shiny it is. And the same thing on this side. So that's about it. I am not in the mood to do much else. So I'm just gonna tuck it behind my ear and let it air dry. I may even put a ponytail, put a headband. I've been trying not to put ponytails because it just promotes like too much ponytails, especially like when my hair is curly. When my hair is straight, I feel like I get less damage or over manipulation of a ponytail, but when my hair is curly like this, I just like to leave it down. So you can see my crown. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in purchasing these products, I will have them linked where you can go and purchase. So look out for that. Like, comment, subscribe, share, repost, all of the things. And look out for more content and videos. If you enjoyed this, let's keep in touch. Let's stay connected. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.